her weight in gold.
Hey, I see you're checking out Green Stallion. My name's Rob.
Rob and Clyde, good to know you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I was checking it out. It's, used to have one like this in high school.
No kidding.
Yeah. I was looking at the KBB right before I came over. It said this thing's $10,000. For excellent condition. What are you asking for this?
Well, I didn't know KBB sold cars. KBB's like the weatherman. You always turn on, but it's never right. But I want to show you and tell you everything I did about this Bronco and why it's so nice. Whenever I got this Bronco in, the tail lights were faded, so I had brand new tail lights, OEM style tail lights added. I generally do this on every single Bronco I get in to make it look brand new like it would in 1996. I just installed 32-inch BF Goodrich KO2 tires. This is my favorite tire on the Bronco. It actually gives it a little bit of a meatier stance than the stock ones that are 31s. It's also my favorite looking, the most durable that I like. I also had the original rims put back onto the Bronco. I always try and go towards that original style so it looks exactly like it did whenever it came out brand new. In addition to that, I also had brand new mirrors installed because the old ones were starting to fade in coloration. I had installed brand new headlights, brand new bezel, brand new grille. I always generally do this on every single Bronco that I get in because it gives it that brand new look like it did in 1996. These seats were very worn out whenever I got the Bronco, and the foam was kind of sagging in a little bit. So I actually installed brand new foam into the seat. That's actually the exact dye that was used in 1996 for the seat cushions, which I got that from Broncos and Parts Garage. They sell them, and then I installed brand new seat covers that are identical style to the 1996 Ford Bronco whenever they came out with them, and it's also perforated leather how it came out in 1996. I also had installed a brand new Bluetooth radio. The one that was in it wasn't working properly, and I wanted to have a Bluetooth. Now let's go for a spin in the Green Stallion to show how nice this beauty is.
I'll tell you what, this might be one of the cleanest Broncos I think I've ever seen. You just don't find them that clean up here in Indiana. There's no rust on this. You said this is a Florida truck?
Yes, it's actually a one-owner Bronco. I purchased it from an older man who, him and his wife decided to sell it because his health wasn't in the best shape. And that's how I got the vehicle.
I'll tell you what, you firm on the price on this thing?
Well, if you end up getting it, I'll definitely throw in a free Bronco t-shirt with the purchase.
That's it? What about a free tank of gas?
Well, we can go down to the taco shop and I'll get you a bean burrito and you'll have free gas for probably the rest of the week.
That sounds good to me. Rob, thanks for taking me for a ride in the 1996 Bronco. The thing is really cool, and I appreciate the way you showed me how you brought it from old rust bucket to gold. It was really really cool. So what do we have coming up next?
We're actually in the Bronco that we're going to be shooting for the next episode of Bronco King. It is a 1979 Ford Bronco chromatic. They only made this Bronco for 2 years, this body style, and then the chromatic. It's the most desirable Bronco ever produced. It's actually my favorite Bronco I've ever seen, I ever owned. And this Bronco took me 1 year to restore. Because of this celebration, I'm actually be giving away tons of free apparel, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel because there's only going to be a limited number of quantity, and you're going to want to be one of the first people to get it because we're going to give it away for free. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episode.